Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Friends, with this set, I'm trying to show you how far do we go for the personalization part for a client and how much work do we do to get the client what they want. Now, this one you can see, this set I have shown you in video number 217, and this one is 3, 2, 1, and 1. This set is going to Vizag, Vishakhapatnam, and the work, the design is same as in video number 217 I've shown you earlier also. First, the personalization part. Now, if you see here, every chair has different fabrics. The client needed something like this. They have selected the fabrics, they sent it to us, and we have prepared as per the client requirement. Friends, whenever you go to a nearest showroom and you see some stuff there, they have 10, 15, 20 sets ready in the showroom. So you have the option to pick from those. आप किसी शोरूम में जाएं, वहां पर कुछ सेट्स रेडी रखे होते हैं, उसमें से आप जो पिक करते हैं वो आपको वो प्रोवाइड कर देते हैं. What we do is we provide you what you want, and this is an example of that. Getting a set made in different fabrics, this requires a lot of time that has to be invested with the client, the time to select the fabrics and to get the unit done. And again, it requires time with the artisan also, because he is the one who will make the unit. So we have to be careful that this particular unit is this fabric. This is what we are doing. Now the size of this set, this is a 3-seater. The out and out size is 6.5 feet. The depth is 28 inches and the back height is 45 inches. Here we have a 2-seater. It's out and out 60 inches. Rest is 28 and 45, same size. For the chair is out and out 3 feet, 36 inches and rest 28 and height of the back 45. Very beautiful and heavy carved unit. The design itself, if you see here, it clearly shows the kind of work has been done in it, with the beautiful carvings, the heavy work in the middle, and the wing design on both the sides. And when you come to the leg part of this unit, it's a heavy, thick leg with a flower design in the front. This is in teak wood, in teak finish, and high gloss finish. Now, looking at the chair, you can see why our sets are called Maharaja sets. It's a Maharaja sofa, as we call it. And whenever you sit on it, you get the feeling of a throne, very comfortable and wide chair, ample space, and the Maharaja feeling that you get when you use our kind of units. The teak wood finish is the most liked finish across the globe. If you want it in matte finish, that can also be done. This set comes along with a table that is a little different from what I have shown you earlier. This is the table that we have along with this set. The size of the table is 4 feet by 2.5 feet, 30 inches by 4 feet. And this has got drawers in front. 2 drawers on this side and 2 drawers on this side. This is a little different design from what I have been showing you with the carved top and sleek legs and design. This one has got 4 drawers and also a liked concept. You can keep a lot of handy items in these drawers, like the dry fruit boxes or some snacks kind of stuff. So whenever somebody visits you, just pick up the stuff, serve it, get the tea or coffee, and serve to the guest that you are getting. Apart from the beautiful carving work that you see and the honey gloss finish, what Arson do, what we are doing is the quality work that we are providing you. These are polished items, and when you talk about the warranty of the product, see, the wood is teak, solid teak wood. This is not pressing over MDF or something like particle board or ply. These are solid wood items. Solid wood lasts for a lifetime. About the polished work, 10, 12, 15 years, the gloss doesn't go away. It lasts for a long time. The fabric is as per usage. With a very rough usage also, a fabric easily lasts for 5, 7, 10 years. And once the fabric gets dirty or wear off, you can get the fabric changed. In a couple of years, you can call someone and get the fabric dry cleaned also. There are services of sofa cleaning people who can come to your place and clean the stuff. A nice set, a 7-seater with a big table, going to Vishakhapatnam. Anywhere you want in India, let us know. We will deliver it to your place. You want to change the colors, let us know. You want to change the fabric, we'll do that for you, as in this set. And we can personalize the furniture as per your requirement. That is our forte, and that is something we really love to work on, because simple sets anybody can provide. Standard units are available everywhere. Making same types of sets and selling to everybody is very easy, but making personalized units and delivering to your home requires a lot of effort, and that's what we are doing. Hope you like our effort, hope you like our work. I'll request you to put in a few comments in the comment section below. For the pricing part, you can visit our website. There are more than 70, 80 models we have posted in actual photos and videos, and then other catalog models also. So we can design as per your requirement. Hope you like this. Thank you so much.